Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. My name is John AliBuilder. I want to appreciate you for checking out this what I have for you today. So if you are into e-commerce, you sell product online, you sell you dropship products from marketplaces like eBay, like Alibaba, like AliExpress. Then I want to share with you a powerful plugin that you can actually pick up today and start using it for your dropshipping business. Actually, what this plugin does is very simple. If you have an e-com store, or you have your, maybe it's on a whatever Woocommerce store, or on a WordPress website, so you can use this plugin. You can just install this plugin on your WordPress site or on your e-com store, and then this plugin automatically pulls hot products from AliExpress in particular right now, from AliExpress, hot products or based on your own niche on AliExpress, and then you can now feature these products in one click. It's going to scoop up all the products you want, hot products or based on what you want, your specifications, and then you can use your own fixed pricing, your own and then dictate your own income on this. So that's what I'm going to share with you right in this video. I'm going to review the plugin for you, how you can pick up the plugin and how you can go ahead. In fact, I'm going to show you a demo how you can actually see how this plugin works. So before I get into that, let me just in case you are new to my channel, yes, you can actually, there's no way you can actually message me on YouTube, so you can contact me on Facebook right here. There's a link under this video. It's going to direct you to my Facebook profile right here, John AliBuilder. Let's connect together so you can ask me questions on basically maybe my past videos, or this you are watching and you want to know more about AliBuilder plugin, then you can easily get in touch with me via the link under this video to my Facebook page. You can connect with me and then drop me a line, 1 or 2 lines, and then let's get talking. So also, one thing I want to mention is I'm also including a massive bonus for you. Yes, huge bonus for you if you go ahead and pick up this WordPress plugin I'm about to review for you. So this plugin will only work for you if you are into e-commerce and you want to learn how to dropship products, that is how to import hot products from AliExpress to your own e-com store. It's a very big powerful software, and like I said, I've included huge bonuses for you that you are going to enjoy. It's going to help you make massive profits in your dropshipping business. So you can see my first bonus, which is a 6-figure dropshipping mastery program, where let's get into the plugin first and then come back to the bonuses later. The bonuses are huge and we actually get you success in your dropshipping business. So the first thing now is, number one, when you want to start if you have an e-commerce store already, you have a platform where you sell your own your own products. Your own product you source online, and then you try and sell at your own price. You drop ship them, so you can use this plugin to import products. You import as many products from AliExpress to your own website. So it says that finally an easy way to create your own dropshipping online store in minutes without any design or without you coding. So with AliBuilder, you can easily dropship and mark up the price on any products from AliExpress in a flash and all that. Yeah, so you can import products. You can even import reviews in different languages like English, Arabic, German. So I think literally it's going to, I think, almost clone AliExpress platform for you on your own e-com store. So you can see, and again, this is something, a wonderful automatic product fulfillment system and shipping module built right into AliBuilder. So actually it's a lot. I've actually checked through the demo version of this software and it's just fantastic, really fantastic. It's really awesome. So this is the plugin. It's called AliBuilder Dropship. Yes, AliBuilder Dropship. That is number one, AliExpress Dropship plugin. This plugin is brand new and it is easy to use. So if you have your WordPress e-com store, you can use this plugin. Just install it on your WordPress blog, and then it's going to import products, as many products as possible, hot products from AliExpress into your own Woocommerce store. And it's there's a link actually on this under this video. You can click on the link under this video to get the plugin, and it's going to bring you right on this page. And on this page you're going to get a demo video a review video how this plugin works. Yes, I'm going to get to that shortly, but you can see just 3 steps you need to get AliBuilder importing products to your own eCom store. So you can see, number 1, you just install the AliBuilder plugin. It takes just 2 minutes, and then you're ready to go. Once you follow the instructions, and then you can start. Just install it just the way you install the regular WordPress plugin. Just upload the plugin to your WordPress dashboard area, click on install, and that's all. And then number 2, you just put the plugin to work. It's very simple. You just use the plugin to find high quality, top quality products, and then just load them into your own store, just following the basic instructions. You're going to get once you pick up this powerful AliExpress plugin to import product. And then you can see you also be shown how to customize your eCom store without coding, without any technical stuff at all. So you can see with AliBuilder, you can get everything to create a stunning store. Number 1, you can choose with this plugin, you can choose your store type, your store type. Yes, you'll be able to choose whether you want to use the AliExpress affiliate program. Wow, this is wonderful. Or you make even more money by dropshipping products from AliExpress and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. So you can actually use this plugin to run your own affiliate program via AliExpress. So you just grab your affiliate link. This plugin will help you generate all your links, affiliate link for each product on AliExpress, and then every traffic you are sending to your store, this plugin, and once people purchase from your store, then you automatically get affiliate earnings right away. But instead, you can also go the second method, which is actually dropshipping products. You import a product from AliExpress, and then you import them to your own eCom store, and then you can now fix your own price. For instance, if a product is selling on let's go to AliExpress right now. For instance, you can see this product is selling for how much? Let's see. We have this product now. Let's say this product is selling for $4.98. So we can just import this product or as many more products in these categories, and then you can go to your site and sell it on your store and sell it for ×2 or ×3 or whatever price. And then basically how it works is, once you are selling at your price right here, you can come over to AliExpress and then buy the product right here. Once you buy the product, and then you just will bill to the person, you send it over to your customer, and then they're able to buy it while you keep the profits all to yourself. So it's just as very simple as that. And you can see, you can use this plugin, AliBuilder plugin, you can find high margin products to dropship. Yes, you can find products to dropship that can make you profits margin. You said over 2000% profit margin. So all is one click. Yes, this plugin is just one click. Product imports. In just one click, you can load up your store based on your niche, or if it's just a general store, yes, you can import as many products, and then you get your store filled up within a minute. So, and you can also filter products for the fastest shipping method. You can see you can do a lot of things with this, you can see, and also you can choose the markup. So you can write your own paycheck, you can change the title, you can change the price points, you can do a lot of stuffs with this AliBuilder plugin. So there's a link under this video. It's going to bring you right here. Let me show you. It's going to bring you right here so you can watch. You can see this is a wonderful thing. Again, you can see you can import product reviews from wherever you are, from whatever products you are importing to your own store. So this will help you to get boost more sales when visitors are checking out your own eCom. So I think this is very powerful. This is powerful, and you can see you can set prices in bulk. So everything is just done. It's just like a clone AliExpress websites, AliExpress store. So you can see AliBuilder is super easy to use, and you can watch the demo video right there. So you can see this is where you can come over and watch the demo video. Once you click on the link under this video in the description section, it's going to bring you right here to watch the demo version, how the video works, how the AliBuilder plugin works. So it's a very powerful tool that's going to help you to import products. Yes, import products from AliExpress to your own e-com store. So you actually have two versions of this plugin. We have the AliBuilder Lite and then a AliBuilder Premium. So you have a 1 store license limit for the Lite, and then you have 10 store license activation limit. So you can actually buy this and then resell the plugin, giving license rights to people. So imagine you are paying how much? You are paying $29 to get this, and you get 10 store license activation. So that means you can even sell 9 more licenses to people, and then you keep all the profits to yourself. So it's actually a very good business tactic. So on top of that, you're getting huge bonuses when you pick up AliBuilder plugin for your own dropshipping business. You get a Facebook live shop. That is, you can set up a Facebook live shop on your own e-commerce, platform. Wow, this is wonderful. It's going to help you to make more sales and money in your pocket. So imagine the products you are selling on AliExpress, you can also use this plugin to turn your Facebook page to a big money making store, where this is so wonderful. So you can say when people are on your Facebook, they like to stay on Facebook, and this add-on builds trust and gives you the ability to make sales to people without them ever having to leave Facebook. So it's going to help you to increase sales and get more customer in your business. So you can see you also get a WhatsApp product support plugin. Yes, this it's going to help you manage your customers. Just direct them, and then they're going to chat you up and then easily communicate with your customers. You also get a bonus 3 on live sales notifications, who exits offer, in case once your visitors are exiting your Woocommerce store, you can use this pop-up, this plugin, to get their attention and give them some discounts on your offer, on your products which they intended to purchase. So you can see in a nutshell, you can see AliBuilder is a brand new plugin, easy to use WordPress dropshipping plugin that makes it easy for you to import products from AliExpress into your own Woocommerce store, and it's very easy to use. Just install the plugin, use the plugin, follow the instructions, import products, and then customize your store to to your own taste. And there is no monthly fee on this. No, the only thing you will ever pay for is your own domain and your hosting. Of course, if you have your own store already, your own e-com store already, that means you're not paying for any other thing. You only pay $29 to have these powerful softwares and powerful plugin, and the bonuses, amazing bonuses that complements this AliBuilder plugin. So go ahead, you have nothing to lose. It's a very good plugin for you to import products from AliExpress. You can import as many products as possible, importation, or computing, designing product, making product designs and all the likes. This plugin does all the work for you. So alright, so go ahead, click on the link under this video, and then you can pick up I don't think this is not, you can just go ahead and pick up this. You can see this will limit you to 100 products import, but here you have unlimited products imports, unlimited auto order fulfillment, daily product synchronization. So you can see, so every day you get your store automatically synchronized with new products added to your store. I think it's a very big banger, so it's a very good deal for you. So go ahead, it's just $29 and you enjoy huge profit. Remember, there's something I showed you right here. You can also resell this plugin. You can see you have 10 store license activation limit, so you can actually sell to 9 more persons even at just $10. So if you sell just 2, you would have made your money back, and then you can still use the plugin for your own business and make huge lots of money. So remember, I said I have some bonuses for you. So this is my bonus right now. My first bonus. Alright, so my first bonus is the 6-figure dropshipping mastery program. So it's a course that's going to show you how to build your own e-com store from scratch and take it from $0 to $50 in 30 days. So you get a complete case study how a dropshipper went going from 0 to 50, $55,000 in 30 days. And then you get a second bonus on how to automate your dropshipping business, and then a complete Alibaba dropshipping training business that you can learn how to dropship with Alibaba. And then my fourth bonus on how to dropship, complete full training on dropshipping, how you can start making at least an average of $100 per day with dropshipping. So go ahead and click on the link under this video, and then it's going to bring you to the sales page right here where you can pick up AliBuilder for just just $29, and then you get the amazing bonus that comes with it, and then you get my own exclusive bonuses as well. So go ahead, pick it up, and then make profits in your dropshipping business. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Ask me questions on Facebook. If you can connect with me on Facebook, reach out to me on Facebook, and then if you have any other thing you want to share with me, let me know, and then I'm going to get in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for